Hello, I'm Kevin Moon, aka Mooney.
And I'm Brayden Moon, aka Bubba. And we are Bubba Mooney's Game and Toy Fun. So here we are doing a Jurassic World toy video. Please subscribe to our channel and give a like. Okay, I'm gonna be the IWEX team, and he's gonna be the T-Rex's team. Okay. Woo! Stop. Okay, hold on, guys. So wait, this way. Oh. Okay, I hope you liked the video. And subscribe to our channel and give a like on this video. And just, if you know what happened to the IWEX, he got very sick, so they had to get him dinosaur hybrid medicine. So we just couldn't put that in the video. So Bubba Mooney